Hi guys, so this video you're seeing me no makeup whatsoever because this video has to be about my Banish products that I received I think almost a month or a little over a month ago. So I left the container in the bathroom, so I did take with me was the Banish roller, which you guys are very familiar with. I'll link my other video in the description bar below for you guys. So that's the Banish roller, and I did take my pumpkin enzyme mask, which is what I got, my charcoal mask, but the charcoal is loose. It's activated charcoal clay mask, but it is loose as you can see. So you add water and you apply it, and these two I've been using daily. So my overall assessment on the Banish, let me just turn it from one side to the next, and then I'm going to be doing a side by side. So no, I don't know if there's going to be much difference on camera, but I can tell a difference in my skin. It is definitely smoother. It is it looks healthier and it's more glowy. Now what I've been using in my skincare routine every single probably 5 to 6 times a week when I remember to, is my Banish oil. So I have been wearing this every single day as per the instructions, and I've been wearing it underneath my makeup. I've been wearing it when I'm not wearing any makeup. So this Banish oil to me is essential. Now what I think you absolutely need in your skincare routine as a makeup artist or a makeup enthusiast or someone who loves makeup is definitely the refresher spray. Now the Banish refresher, it makes my Sasha Cosmetics foundation and powder, it makes it look so good. I'm going to try it today under my Fenty foundation and see how it looks, but underneath my Sasha Cosmetics Second Skin foundation, this, it just makes my skin look nice and healthy and like blemish free. It just makes my skin look absolutely phenomenal, and I notice when I use this in conjunction with the Sasha Fix It spray, oh my god, it is everything. So I'll be trying these two, the oil as well as this, today underneath my Fenty foundation and under and over my Fenty foundation, and see how it goes. I'm already wearing the oil. I'm going to film the foundation, the tutorial after this. My face looks darker than my body, it looks good to me. I'm going to film after this. Now what surprised the crap out of me is definitely the pumpkin enzyme mask. Pumpkin enzyme mask, you guys. The clip that you're seeing now is me, I think last week, because I must use this I think every other week or something like that. So I didn't want to overuse the roll and everything, but the mask I've been using probably 2 to 3 times a week, and it's just when I remember or when I have time to do a mask is when I do it, and I can definitely tell a difference in my skin. As I said, my skin looks so much fresher and like, I don't say this because I'm not old, but younger, you know what I mean? Like, and this completely surprised me, and I've been using it and I'm not going light, and I still have like a good amount leave. You see that? I still have like a good amount leave of the pumpkin enzyme mask. Now I thought this would have not been enough for me. I was like, why are they giving me this tiny little bottle? What is this going to do? But it's been almost a month and I have like half a jar left. I'm excited about that, and I don't use it every single day religiously. When I just got it, I used to, but I was like, let me just slow down. Now that I use it when I remember to. So then my activated charcoal clay mask, oh my god, I love this thing so much. I recognize that charcoal activated masks, they clear up any pimple, because these two came up yesterday and I forgot to put it on it earlier, else it would have been gone by this morning. That's just how the charcoal activated masks, that's what they do for me. And it's not the only brand I've tried using the charcoal activated mask. I have tried just one other brand, is Bella Spree, just one other brand, it's a Jamaican brand, and charcoal activated mask, it just works for my skin and it gets rid of pimples, it gets rid of like bumps when they come up. That to me, and I'm talking overnight, that to me, I just put it on this morning and it's already drying up. Girl, I put the mask on this morning as well, and I just washed off my pumpkin enzyme. I put the charcoal mask on while I was getting ready for the gym, and then I put the enzyme mask when I was bathing in order to get ready for this video. And then now I'm wearing the Banish oil. I am in love with these. Love, 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 love. If I have a discount code or anything like that, it will definitely be in the description bar. So look, I'm going to write back to them because I don't know if I had got one. I don't know, I can't remember. But this is the star of the show. I hope you guys are seeing that they're like little needles. I really hope you guys see that they're like little needles, and this thing moves nicely on the skin. There's no stopping when it moves on the skin. It just rolls onto your skin. It just rolls onto your skin really nicely. And I've used it twice. Now I paid close attention to this spot right here. This spot had more texture than anywhere. Right here, baby. This spot had more texture, and this spot had more texture. They were like cuts right here. They were like cuts. Did you guys see this one? This spot right here. They were like cuts on my skin, and I deliberately went, when I was using the Banish roller, went over it deliberately, and the texture is almost completely gone. So I'm still feeling a little bit, but trust me, just a little bit, but the texture is like 95% gone. Now, whether or not this works, I can tell for myself that just by doing it on this cut or scar or whatever, it worked for this area. So I'm thinking it works for everything else. Now, I did not look on a before and after picture. I just hope my face looks better than what it did, you know, before, you know, like we're still using the Banish kit, the Banish roller, sorry. So with the Banish roller, my skin is looking better. I don't know, I just turned on the camera and I was like, let me just do this, let me just film, you know, because this video has to be up by the 15th, and today is the 12th. So I have to pre-record everything that I do because of how my life is. But I really hope it worked. I'm hoping it worked by looking at the before and after pictures. I'm hoping it worked. But I can definitely tell a difference in my, and you guys have been commenting that, yo, Lyric the Banish work, yo, Lyric the Banish something, waiting him again. You guys are telling me that my skin is looking better, and you guys know my struggle. You see my struggle. I have no problems. No, I know I have no problems going anywhere without makeup. I know I have no problems coming on camera on this channel and not feeling vulnerable. No. Before, for me, it was an issue, guys. I couldn't go with makeup. I just felt unattractive. I felt ugly. I just couldn't do it. But no, it's just like, yes, girl. What? So yeah. Yes, that's basically it for my review of the Banish system. More primarily the masks for me personally, and the roller for long-term usage and effects. No, I'm not going to stop doing this. I'm going to do it until the recommended use of the roller expires. I think I have 2 or 3 more uses of the roller, then it expires. Expires meaning they recommend not to use it over certain uses. Like I think it's either 4 or 5. I'm gonna have to look again at the card they get with your order, but they recommend not to use it over certain times because they don't want to risk bacteria being lodged. Even though you're sanitizing it with the alcohol, you don't want to risk bacteria being lodged in it. So oh, and I was going to show you guys what the first Banish looked like. Let me show you. So it's pretty like thirsty, but this was the first, but it came in the same draw bag, and this, it was purple. I haven't used this in such a long time. Oh my gosh, I have to throw this out. I didn't know you had a certain amount of time to use it, but this one is purple and this one is like silver. Yeah, so that was that, and I still even have the oil in there, you know. I still have the vitamin, it says AcneScars vitamin C oil serum. No, I do notice that the bottles are the same. Never mind, they're the same. Oh my gosh, you guys have like 2 drops left out of these. But yeah, so the ingredients are the same, but the newer Banish, the wording, the lettering is much clearer. This is the newer Banish, this is the older Banish, so the wording is clearer. A bug. Yeah, so that's basically it for my Banish review. I hope you guys, and I hope it was thorough enough for you so you can make a nice collective decision. If you do decide to purchase, please let me know. If you've used this system already, if it works for you, didn't work for you, please let me know as well. And yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys.